Pandas week of the month business day stock price data. My question is different than the following. Question 1. Week of a month Pandas Question 2. Week number of the month. The above question deals with assuming 7 days in a week. It attempts to count the number of 7 days week there are. My data is composed of business days, daily prices, and there can be at times missing days of the week because the market was closed for holiday. My question is, how does one find the week of the month given a date? Note I highlighted given a date because this process is processed daily, so any answers that looks ahead till the end of the month will likely not work. My attempts have been the look ahead, which isn't optimal. I don't know how to provide some sample data, but if you go to this URL page and use the author's eFinance package, you will be able to get some price data to work with. The functions above will find the 3rd week of the month, all true. In addition, it will set the Friday of that week too. Let me know if you see any problem with the question or if it's a duplicate. I have searched a while for a solution.
One way could be to use timer delta to change any date to the next Friday, then check if this following Friday is between 15 and 21. Then you get Note: one thing to know is that the Saturday and the Sunday before the OPEX week are true, but because you said your data is business days, then it should not matter. The Pandas version to use on series of datetime could be with a small example.
We can easily modify your function to work on the index. Output.
Though the title of the question is Pandas Week of the Month, based on your comments to other answers, it seems you are primarily interested in identifying OPEX week, which is the trading week, i.e. Monday through Friday, that contains 3rd Friday. If above assumption and definition is correct, then this function will do the job.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.